Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Smart Power Tailgate in the 2022 Kia Telluride. I have in front of me here an SX all-wheel drive in dark moss. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the Smart Power Tailgate is turned on in the instrument panel. So we're going to use the controls here to cycle through. So if I go sideways through the menu, and then go down to door, and we want to make sure that the smart liftgate has a check mark next to it. So right now we do, so we're going to head outside and we're going to see it in action. Okay, now that I've been away from the vehicle for a few moments, I have the key fob here in front of me. So as I walk up to the back of the vehicle, it's going to detect that the key fob is nearby and it's going to start to beep. Once it hits the fourth beep, it's just going to go ahead and open for you now. And then when you're done with it, you can always hit the power close button, and that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button. We really appreciate it. Also, go ahead and subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.